Moisture problems can destroy even the best flooring installs, but with Wakol MS330, protecting your job just got a whole lot easier. Wakol MS330 is a single-component, solvent-free, water-free, modified silane moisture barrier. It cures fast and creates a neutral pH surface that's ready for flooring, all in a single coat application. There's no mixing required, low odor, zero VOCs, and once cured, it's not affected by water. When applied as a moisture barrier over concrete, Wakol MS330 blocks moisture up to 100% relative humidity. MS330 can be used above grade, on grade, or below grade on properly prepared concrete. It can also function as a primer, moisture retarder, and surface solidifier over wood subfloors, gypsum, terrazzo, and ceramic tile, making it one of the most versatile products on the job site. After mechanical surface preparation to achieve absorbency per ASTM guidelines, application is simple. Shake, pour, and apply. Use the Wakol MS Special Roller or the A2 trowel when installing as a moisture barrier over concrete, or a 1/4-inch microfiber roller when using MS330 as a primer over moisture-sensitive substrates. Avoid puddling or dry spots and allow the product to cure before installing flooring, typically within 1 hour. Once cured, Wakol MS330 is compatible with approved Wakol polyurethane, modified silane, and pressure-sensitive adhesives, making it ready for a wide range of flooring installations. Fast, reliable, professional-grade moisture protection. Wakol MS330 Moisture Barrier, because a great floor starts from the ground up.